What's up everybody, it's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video we will be installing a rear motor mount from Boomba Racing. Here's the motor mount, and I heard that it's a bit more stiff than other motor mounts like Sport. So just know that, and I will be reviewing it at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So first step is to take this under panel off, and I have a couple videos on how to do that, but if you don't already know, it's a flathead here, Phillips, and then usually there is a Phillips here, but it came off, so let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, this is the rear motor mount right here. So first thing you're going to want to do is take out this bolt right here to kind of push the under panel down, because the other bolt is right behind it. So we're going to take this out. This is just a 10 mil. So the next step is you're going to need two sockets. So this big bolt in the front of the motor mount, this is this is a 19 millimeter, and the bolt back here, which all you're going to do is pull down this cover and you can fit it in there. That's a 17 millimeter, as you can see. So 17 for the rear, 19 for the front. Alright guys, so I had to loosen the front pipe in order to kind of move the front pipe to where I can, so I can fit the socket in there. If you had a skinny enough socket, it would fit, but unfortunately I don't, and I just had to loosen it up. So now I have way, and now I'm gonna try to loosen that up. It's actually not bad. It's not on there tight. Finally got the front out, and look at the size of that bolt. It's a nice one. So now that's loosened, you want to grab your 17 millimeter, which is this one right here. You know, I'm actually going to take these clips out as well. So there's a clip in each. And there's a clip that's right here, and it's on the same on the other side. I'm gonna pull these clips out as well. So there's one right here, same thing on that other side over there too. Look at that one, it's even bigger. I'm gonna make sure I don't get them mixed up. I'm gonna put that one towards the back over there. Now, my transmission is still hot, so I'm gonna have to do something. I kind of just wiggled it out, just like that. As you can see, rear motor mount. So here's the motor mount that we're going to be using. It's a better look at it. Looks pretty sturdy. I heard it's pretty stiff, so we'll see how that feels. So on here it says up, so this is going to be facing up. This is towards the front. Let's go ahead and put that in. Oops. If we can get it in there. I don't want to touch it with my hand, it's pretty hot. Smack that in the middle. So take your rear bolt, put that in. And don't tighten it, because you actually want to put this front bolt first. Sorry about that. Alright, so I had to squeeze the motor mount with the bolt inside, because I really do not want to take out the front pipe. All I did was loosen it from the down pipe. Now I put the first bolt in for the front of the motor mount. I'm just gonna tighten it with my fingers now. Okay, like so. want to tighten it all the way, and then you want to throw the rear bolt in. So now we're going to take the 17 mil, we're going to do the rear first. Make sure you got it untightened. As much as you can. I'm not going to tighten it down just yet. So I want to get this in. Get the mount put in, you're just gonna put everything back together. See, this is what I had to take off, and then I just put back that last bolt. I put on all the clips, and this is how it looks on the bay. And I was trying to shake the transmission, and man, that thing is not moving like at all. It's not giving any give. So let's see how that turns out to be on the road. All right, guys, we're gonna do our first startup right now. We're gonna see how it feels. Oh, you guys saw how the camera shook. Yeah, it's really stiff. It's like a kind of like a jerk when you first start up. So I can only imagine how the driving is gonna be. At idle, it feels alright, but why don't we go take it for a drive and see how it feels. Let me put the air conditioner on because it's kind of hot. Put the windows up. Alright, first drive. Oh, I can already feel it shaking. Woo! It's shaking like no other right now. Oh Lord. That garage shut. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Right. Let's just turn it to here. Yeah, definitely when you're at so far, like I'm like at 1.5 RPM, and it feels really stiff. Like I can really feel the vibration of the car. All right, but then after like 1.5 RPM, 1.5, it kind of goes away. Also, I did hear that once it breaks in, I can hear more pops too. Just wanted to throw that out. I'm not sure if that's psychological or if just now I'm hearing them. So I did hear after like 500 miles, it'll kind of break in a little bit, and then after 1,000 it'll be even better. Oh yeah. Oh, are you kidding me? After 1.5 RPM, you don't even feel it. At least up to 3,500. So let's see. Just take it on the road, let it warm up a little bit. We'll go a little bit quicker. After 1.5 RPM, 1,500, you don't feel it. You don't feel any vibration. It's just at that point. I'm not really sure on throttle responsiveness. I know I heard you get that power right away, but I'm not really pushing it now. Especially it's kind of a lot of cars out right now, so can't really tell. So yeah, definitely at idle you kind of feel like a little bit more vibration, but nothing crazy. By the way, ignore the pillow and the blanket in the back. Alright, let's see. Car's in front of me right now. Give me one sec. Okay, alright. Maybe there is like a slight bit of like a little bit better throttle response, but it's very slight for me, at least as of right now. I'm not really pushing it, so yeah. Okay, so far it's not bad for what it's supposed to do. I think think it's doing a good job, but mainly I got it because I heard a lot of people are getting one. I don't know about it a lot, but I heard a few people they were getting cracked downpipes because they don't have a rear motor mount because the engine's shaking so much. So that's why I got it. So if that's why you want to get it, this is a definitely like this is a go, and that vibration's gonna go away. Or it's gonna simmer down. So definitely Boomba Racing rear motor mount is not bad at all, especially that the price I got it at. I think I got it at like 120, which is awesome. They had a discount. I think right now on their website is 140, and I believe it at 120 is cheaper than the S Sport. So it's up to you on which one you want to go. I wanted something a little bit stiffer. So yeah, if you want Boomba Racing, great choice. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the link. Please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer it. Most likely I will. I'm usually good at that. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you throw a thumbs up on there. Hit the notification button. Make sure you watch my video right when it comes out. And yeah, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, guys. Remember, spread love, not hate. Have a great day.